So many people would not be here today if it wasn't for the tireless work of our healthcare workers, really working days on end, putting their own safety and their families at risk. CBS 2's Stephen Graves joins us now with their very important stories. Stephen.
Yeah, Marie, when you talk to these men and women, they'll first tell you how thankful they are for this vaccine. But there's also a close eye being kept on the long-lasting effects of this pandemic when we talk about these healthcare workers' mental health. Almost a year into the pandemic, the battle against COVID-19 is habit now for Chicago doctors like Lisa Russell.
And just working day in and day out.
So taking the time to digest the statistic of 1 million cases in Illinois
is astonishing, and it's difficult to put into words.
She has broken down,
many times.
As sometimes she and her staff are the last people a gravely ill patient lays eyes on.
When you don't have much to offer people other than a hand and a kind word, that takes a toll.
The feeling of isolation carries over into personal life for nurse Tiffany Dean.
Since the pandemic, I have not been close to my children.
That's months of socially distancing from her 12 and 17-year-olds.
It must be tough as a mother.
Absolutely. But from this point, their health is the priority due to they not able to have access to their provider.
But each one in that 1 million case count is a person, name and face, which keeps up motivation.
I had a patient who asked me if I was scared of getting the virus. And, I said, no, I'm not scared. And he said, I thank your family for you being here for me and maybe not being there for them.
It makes maintaining mental health that much more important. For Dr. Michael Hoffman, that's exercise, meditation, and encouragement for his team.
Do you worry about a long-term effect of the emotional toll?
Yeah, I think that somebody goes through, this is a trauma. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to take care of each other.
Many of these healthcare workers are facing anxiety over losing their lives. The CDC reports about 350,000 COVID cases in healthcare workers nationwide, and about 1,000 of them who have died. Marie?
A lot of risk there. Thank you, Stephen. Texas was the first state to hit 1 million cases back on November 11th. It was quickly followed by California, which now tops the country with more than 2.5 million cases. Florida was the third state to see 1 million on December 1st, and New York just this past Sunday.